Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share my unboxing video of my June Fab Bag with you. I've received this today itself, so let's quickly see what all I've got there. So I've got this Disguise Featherlight Matte Liquid Lip Cream, which was the makeup of choice. Then I have Bella Pere Milk Cleansing Face Wash, and I have Sunscreen SPF 60 sunscreen from Organic Harvest. Then I have this Live-On Serum Polystop Hair, which is very nice. And then I have this Tuzba Under Eye Roll-On, and I have this Matte Look Eyeliner. And yay, this is the pretty Fab Bag pouch. I quite like the design of it, and the color is also very classy and elegant. So let's open it and see. Yeah, so this is the first product, and inside the bag there are many. Yes, I think that's it. No, okay. Yeah. So let's check them out separately. So this is the Organic Harvest Sunscreen, which is good for all skin types, and it's SPF 60. And this got to be good because previous product from Organic Harvest was also very good. I have used it. This is Bella Pere Milk Cleansing Face Wash. So it's mild, and this is also good for all skin types. Then we have this Polystop Hair, which is a leave-on spray, hair spray, which you can use on clean and dry hair, and after that you can go for styling and all also. This is a very unique product. It's an under eye roll-on from Tuzba. I have to use it and then I'll let you know how good it was. Then we have this Matte Look 18 hours eyeliner, which is from Eyes Matte. Okay, it's from Eyes Matte. It's waterproof, non-transferable, and soft Kohl kajal. So it looks pretty good. We will see the color. This is Disguise Featherlight Matte Liquid Lip Cream. This was the makeup of choice. I had to choose the color, and I chose this magenta. I'll show you the color. So I have many lipsticks and lip colors, but I didn't have this magenta. I've never tried it before. I was into browns and pinks, and I have red also, but this is something I did not have, so I thought of trying it now. So that's there, and now let's check the kajal eyeliner. So okay, this is how it opens. It's a twist pencil, and that's the color. So you can go light to dark. That's the broad stroke and a thin stroke, both. So yeah, this is also pretty much good. That's all from June Fab Bag. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have not grabbed your June Fab Bag, book it now. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And that's the voice of my younger one. See you soon. Bye bye.